Voice crack. Puberty, do not do this to me. Hey, what up guys, BCW 2004 here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to Gloria's, the new coffee shop. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Oh, Proclamation! Yeah, I missed him yesterday. The title of yesterday's video, which was actually really short. I'm actually really sorry. Well, as you know, I'm going to Gloria's, and I'm going to my glasses place, because if you guys didn't know, do you see this tape right here? Yeah, well, that's, I'm gonna probably get that fixed because these are my sunglasses, so I'm gonna get my sunglasses. So I'm gonna basically switch the lens, so my sunglasses are the broken ones. Okay guys, so I have the coffee here. Oh my god. This is like, look at this. It's as big as my head. It's a big giant coffee. I actually really like it. I like the caramel. It's clothes, lots of clothes, lots for clothes for everyone. That didn't even rhyme. Wow, Black Series, Black Series, Black Series. I only have one thing from Black Series. I only have one thing from Black Series. That's the VR headset. Yeah, Carson, you're a little late on the trend. Okay, now where's my mom? Oh my god, this is so bad. I have to keep track of my parents. Hey, Mom. Mom. I'm gonna get some of these socks. Do they look better? No tape on this time. I'm just gonna have some broken ones for, broken sunglasses for vacation. It's your twin. So this is the camera that I'm using right now. Oh, maybe it won't turn on. Never mind then. Okay guys, we are going to walk Duke and Mason. And ow! This is a crazy Duke game. You remember that one vlog that I took? He's so crazy. Look at him. This is I can't see what I'm filming. So yeah, well, my camera broke. The body is shattered. I'm gonna have to probably, yeah, I'm bleeding right here. If you're wondering what happened, Duke saw like a squirrel or something and then pulled as hard as he can. And then I got under the camera and slid. So I'll show you on my phone what happened. Well, we were gonna walk to my grandma's house, but we're just gonna walk back. And then, guys, if you don't like blood, cover your eyes. Oh God, it doesn't really stink. But, guys, that was stupid of me. My hand surprisingly stings more than my leg. Here's what it looks like. So this broke. See, it still works. It's just you don't see what it looks like. This thing's gone. This thing is not supposed to come off, and it came off. So and then this cracked right here. So it's a mess. So yeah guys, so we're having dinner. I'm actually going to end this video. Again, another short one. I hate short vlogs. I hate making short vlogs. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, smash that like button. let's see if you can get this video to 10 likes, just for my pain. And maybe if we get 10 likes, I can get a new camera. And then, then I'll get one tomorrow. Tomorrow's video will be about getting a new camera. 10 likes. 10 likes. I know the Laver family is strong. Tell your friends. Tell your family. Make new accounts. Just get this video to 10 likes and I'll get a new camera. Because I am out of cameras right now. All I have is this broken camera, which I can't even see out of it. And my phone is on memory. So please, 10 likes, or I won't make videos anymore. See, now you're forced.